What's up, everybody? Chlorine King here. Thanks for tuning in for another video. Today we're going to talk about Skimmer, and one feature I really love using that's made our lives easier as far as my life and my office's life is the mass email feature. Now, what's really cool about it, it's very easy to keep in constant communication with your clients. We use it quite frequently for different times of the year, like pollen season. We'll send out a mass email to all of our active clients. Hurricane season are the two main big seasons we communicate as far as stuff to be aware of and things we're doing. Any holiday break, you just compose one email and you can send it to all your clients. Now, what's neat is you can choose your active clients, you can choose all clients you've ever had, you can choose inactive clients. So you can sort of target, like if you want to try to gain some of the inactive clients, you could send an email, hey, we're still accepting new clients. If you're still looking for pool service or want to change companies, we're here for you. And we've actually gotten business that way. So the mass email feature is really cool. It's very simple though. If Skimmer is watching this, what I'd really love to see is a way to, change a text color, change a text font, change a text size, be able to upload a picture or a PDF or something. So one thing we've been doing lately is sending out flyers for like salt system specials or, variable speed pump specials. And you really can't do that unless you upload the picture or the PDF to my own website, create a hyperlink and insert an email, and that's just another step for them to have to do to see the flyer. Whereas if Skimmer enabled the ability to send out, upload a picture or PDF file in the email, it would make it just look super professional and, nice on the eyes for them to want to look at it versus just a bunch of text that they're probably not going to read. So those are some suggestions I would have for the mass email feature if you guys create that update, which would be fantastic. But back to me loving the email feature, because I really do. It's we're almost up to 700 clients now, weekly clients, not to mention, service clients and estimates and all that fun stuff. But sending out 700 emails individually is just not feasible. Even 300 emails is not feasible. It was feasible when I was a one pooler and I had 70, 75 pools. Yeah, I mean, it took some time, but the mass email feature cuts down that quite significantly because, like I said before, you're only composing one email and just sending it off to everybody with one click of a button. So if you don't utilize that that feature in the software, definitely do. That way you can always say, hey, I communicated this to you guys about pollen, or I communicated this about the hurricane, I communicated about the holidays, even though you guys should have a terms of service explaining all that. With a couple clicks of a button, a couple strokes on a keyboard, you're able to very easily communicate with your entire customer base. So I really enjoy that feature in the Skimmer software, and hopefully you guys, if you didn't know about it, you do now and start utilizing it. So stay tuned for more videos, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next video. Have a great day.